Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer and Merry Christmas to all of you. You haven't heard from me in a while. I was busy working, or the weather was so terrible I didn't dare to take out the car, let alone fixing it, working with plastic parts with temperatures outside around 5 degrees centigrade. Just want to wish you Merry Christmas. Have some nice and calm days with your loved ones. Enjoy the fact that you are alive, that you are healthy, more or less, I hope. Quite a lot of people are not with us anymore, so I guess Christmas is also a time to think of those people we love and unfortunately can't share time with anymore. So enjoy life, folks. Enjoy life every day. I want to say thank you to everybody in my life. I just love it, and yeah, have a Merry Christmas. And I hope I'll put something together before the new year comes up. So stay safe and healthy. Have a great time. Enjoy the Christmas wine, everything. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.